Penultimate is Evernote's variety of a handwriting app, and this one syncs right with Evernote. When you first enter Penultimate, it orients to notebooks, which are similar to the Evernote folders that you would see, or notebooks or stacks that are available there. And you can scroll up through them, navigating through. Some features that are advantageous for this in searching your notes, one are the views. You can view them side by side, also in grid format, or search. If I had one for the school I teach at, Booth Middle School, I have all those coded with BMS first. So all those notes appear, and I can select any of those that I need to get to. Also, if I wanted to create a new note, then I would be able to push the plus sign, and it comes up with my note. I can retitle this note by clicking above at the top. I remember that I was going on a fishing trip. I've renamed my note, and one thing that I want to note on this one is how I did name it. So I would want to make sure that I title this one with my code for home, so that when my notes are searched again, I'll be able to find it. I also have some choices of paper, the stock paper for graph, lined, and plain, as well as time and task, games, young writers, design collection, photo pages, and writing. And there are even more papers on the Evernote market to choose. I'm going to use time and task. I need to create a to-do list for the fishing trip. So one thing I could do is I could write with different pen sizes and styles. I'm going to start with green. I remembered I needed green markers, or worms, bobbers, that's what it was. So I'm going to start with this, and I'm going to make note that I needed green bobbers. And then I wanted to change something up. Maybe I want to put some stars around it. That is very important. Reminders. So all these are available to use, pen sizes, pen colors. And in addition, wanted to also include the aspect of the worms and the hooks, just as a reminder. You can additionally add things to this like pictures. You can take pictures of things, or you can use photos. And for these different photos, you can access different types of folders you've created, or directly from your camera roll. So that's available to use, or you can take from the camera. We're going to choose a photo, and this one is going to be of, these are all science projects. We hope to catch something. Maybe we're going to have a moon theme. It's just inspiring for some reason. We want to catch something out of this world. So if you do have a photo, you can resize it here, and you can also write on top of that one. Maybe this is our reminder to get up really early. And then hope you catch something. Maybe it's not neat enough. It's okay, you can erase right off. Now, we can do several things with this. Once you're done with your note, it's syncing. You can also send it. You can send it through message, mail. You can save it. You can sync to Dropbox. You can open in, send notebook by email, And if you want to open in or send by email, it's going to give you some options too. So if you want to open the page in or send a Dropbox, let's do by email, and you'll see you can do PDF or Penultimate. This is a great way to even make an infographic straight from the Penultimate file. So we're going to cancel our approach there. And what if we did? So that would just come up as, here's our note that we would want to send. Now, back into our folder, what if we needed to combine this? We can merge notes. So editing this, we can merge notes or pages. If we wanted to manage our pages, and you turn to a new one and you see, we could say this is going to be page 2. Maybe we're going on a trip with another group. The upper left-hand corner allows you to see the different pages that you've had and that you've created. We're going to select both of those. We're going to move them to a notebook that we have with the group that's also going fishing. So we just now merged those notes into one. We're done, and it doesn't look like our note is there anymore, but we just made a fishing trip. But what we did was we added it to this new notebook, or the notebook that already existed. So all these pages are now there, and you can move your pages around too. So if you wanted to reorder them, or say we don't need that last page anymore, we can also delete that from the same spot. And as we speak, this is all syncing in the lower left-hand corner with our notebook in Evernote that we'll check on in just a minute.